Matthew 19. Divorce. When Jesus talk finish, he come comot from Galilee, go Judea area, for the other side for Jordan River. Plenty people follow am, and he heal all of them. Some Pharisee people contest and ask am say, e dey right for man to drive him wife at all? Jesus answer, you never read am from beginning, say na man and woman God make, and because of that, man go leave him papa and mama, go join him wife, and the two of them go come be one. Dem not be two again, but one. So, wetin God don join together, make nobody scatter am. The Pharisee people ask am again, wetin make Moses say make we drive our wife? Jesus answer, Moses say make una drive una wife because una heart dey wicked. But not be so God plan am from beginning. Now I tell una, anybody wey drive him wife, wey not be say he sleep with another man, but come marry another woman, don commit adultery. The disciples come tell Jesus, if na so husband and wife matter be, e better make person not marry at all. Jesus answer them, not be everybody go fit accept this word, but na only the people where God give the power. Many men no fit sleep with woman, because na so dem born them. Some na human being do them like that, but others na because of God kingdom. Anybody wey fit accept wetin I talk, make e take am like that. Jesus and small children. Some people bring children come meet Jesus, make he put hand for their head, pray for them. But the disciples come begin quarrel with the people wey bring the children. But Jesus tell the disciples, make una leave the small children, make dem come meet me. No stop them, because na them get God kingdom. So he put in hand for their head, bless them, then he waka comot there. The young man wey get money. One man come meet Jesus, ask am, Teacher, which good thing I go do make I for fit enter God kingdom? Jesus answer am, why you dey ask me about wetin good? Na only God good. So if you wan enter heaven, make you keep God commandments. The man come ask, which one for the commandment? Jesus answer, may you not kill, not sleep with person wey not be your wife, not thief, not talk wetin your eye not see, respect your papa and mama, and may you love your neighbor as you love yourself. The young man answer, I dey obey all this law with all my heart. Wetin still remain wey I go do? Jesus tell am, if you wan dey perfect, go sell everything wey you get, then give the money to poor people, and you go get better things for heaven. When you don do wetin I talk, then make you come follow me. When the young man hear wetin Jesus talk, he vex waka comot, because he get money well. Then Jesus tell him disciples, I tell una true word, e go hard for person wey get money well to enter God kingdom. Again, I dey talk say e go easy for camel to pass through needle hole than for person wey get money well to enter God kingdom. The disciples surprise when they hear these things, and they come ask, then who go fit dey save? Jesus look them, come answer, e not possible for human being, but everything dey possible with God. Then Peter come tell Jesus, look, we don leave everything where we get come follow you. Wetin dey for us na? Jesus answer am, I tell you true word, for that time when everything go dey new, man pikin go sit down for him throne wey get glory, and una wey dey follow me go sit down for 12 thrones, dey judge the 12 tribes wey dey Israel. And anybody wey live in house, brothers, sisters, papa or mama and land because of me go get am back 100 times, and e go get life wey no dey end. So many people wey be first now go be last, and those wey be last go be first. All of us for Barnabas Corner, they say we thank una for watching. Abeg, una go help us subscribe to the channel, then I will click that notification bell so that anytime we upload another new video on our phone go green una. Una go help us like the video, una go help us share am with una friends, and most important, make una tell us wetin una think for the comment section below. May Baba God bless all of us. Amen.